Had some growing pains. Gets the hold of this one to right field. Pence going back onto the track, back at the wall. It's out of here. Lucas Duda with a long 2-run homer, his 7th of the year. Duda has been a reason to watch as he continues to show off his prodigious power. His 7th home run cuts the Phillies lead to 9-3.
And remember, it took him a long time to hit a home run this year. But boy, he's been turning on the power of late. I like the fact that he's starting to get the barrel of the bat out and pull the ball.
And how